Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, could this be your next phone? With a slim design, powerful specs, and IP67 water resistance, this phone promises something special. But is it the perfect fit for you? Let's find out. With its sleek design and top-notch features, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is making waves. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about this phone, whether it's worth the wait or not. The Galaxy A36 5G looks and feels premium. Its glass front and back are protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, while the plastic frame keeps it lightweight and easy to hold. At just 7.4 millimeters thick, it's slim enough to fit comfortably in your hand. Plus, with an IP67 rating, you don't have to worry about dust or water damage, just up to 1 meter deep for 30 minutes. This means everyday accidents won't be a big deal for this phone. The 6.64-inch Super AMOLED screen is a treat for your eyes. With a resolution of 1080 by 2340 and a 120 Hz refresh rate, every image and video looks smooth and vibrant. Whether you're scrolling through social media, playing games, or watching videos, the display will impress you every time. And with Gorilla Glass Victus protection, your screen is as tough as it is beautiful. Powering the Galaxy A36 5G is either the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 or Snapdragon 7 Gen 2, still unconfirmed, paired with an octa-core CPU and Adreno GPU. What does this mean for you? Fast performance, whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running demanding apps. With up to 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD, you'll have all the space and power you need. The Galaxy A36 5G's camera setup is impressive. The 50MP main sensor comes with optical image stabilization, OIS, which helps capture clear and stable shots. The 8MP ultra-wide lens is perfect for group photos or landscapes, while the 5MP macro lens lets you capture detailed close-ups. And if you love selfies, the 12MP front camera will deliver great results even in 4K. Whether it's the A36 5G supports the latest Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and 5G connectivity, so you're future-proofed for fast internet speed. You also get stereo speakers for a richer sound experience and NFC for easy contactless payments. The in-display fingerprint sensor keeps your phone secure, while the USB Type-C port adds convenience for charging and data transfer. However, it does skip the 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need wireless headphones or USB-C earbuds. When you compare the Galaxy A36 5G to other phones in its price range, it stands out with its sleek design, powerful performance, and camera quality. Whether you're into gaming, photography, or just need a reliable phone, this one checks all the boxes. It's a device that balances performance and style, offering a great experience at a mid-range price. If you're looking for a phone that offers great value for money, the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G might just be what you need. Let me know in the comments what you think about this phone, or if you're waiting for any other features. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this. Catch you in the next video.